A watt is a unit of measurement for electrical power. The smallest measure of power is 1 watt. A watt is a measure of power, and power is the rate at which energy is either created or dissipated. If we consider watts to be the measurement of electrical flow, then we may classify any appliance or tool as either requiring a high or low electrical flow. If you have a 100-watt bulb and a 60-watt bulb, the 100-watt bulb requires a higher flow of energy to function than the 60-watt bulb. Multiples of 1,000 are used to express watts. These multiples are certainly not new to you, but let's have a look at their meaning in terms of power. The milliwatt, or 1/1000 watts, is the most frequent unit of measurement. It is a popular unit of measurement for electronic components found in devices like computers or mobile devices. In these tiny lines, we can only detect the milliwatts of power. Now, in terms of electrical power, 1 kilowatt equals 1000 watts. A kilowatt, sometimes abbreviated to kW, is a commonly used and recognized unit of electrical power. On your electricity bill, the amount of energy used by your home will likely be listed in kilowatts. Everywhere on the planet, 1 megawatt of power is equal to 1000 kilowatts. Power output from generators is measured in megawatts, kilowatts, or watts. Your home's electrical consumption can be measured in watts or kilowatts for every appliance that requires electricity to function. For instance, a light bulb might be 60 watts, while a microwave might be 750 watts. It is simple to quantify watts with a simple equation that may be applied to a wide range of contexts. Knowing the current and voltage of an electrical system allows us to determine the power output in watts. A multimeter is used to measure both voltage and current. For a DC circuit, the calculation is easy if you have the current and also the voltage. So if the current is 5 amps and the voltage is 110 volts, then 5 multiplied by the 110 is equal to 550 watts. It's also easy to see how watts are different from watt hours. The rate of power delivery over 1 hour is quantified by the watt hour. A watt hour is the unit of measurement for the quantity of power flowing at a constant rate for 1 hour. So for instance, a 5-watt LED bulb utilized 5 watt hours of energy in 1 hour of operation. Your electric company sends you a bill every month based on the kilowatts your home uses. Thus, your monthly energy cost will increase proportionally with the total amps and volts consumed by your devices and appliances. That is just a simple fact. It's possible that some of your equipment, even when shut off, are still using a tiny amount of electricity. This is known as phantom load or vampire power, and it will increase your monthly electricity cost. But if you have a watt meter, you can check to see which of your appliances is causing this problem. And as soon as you have located them, you can begin taking measures to reduce their energy use, such as using a smart strip or just unplugging the devices when they're not in use. And as a result, you will use less energy at home and have lower monthly bills. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can also sign up to our weekly newsletter directly on our website.